How to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can add wireless Wi-Fi network manually on Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get started with our video. So first of all, you have to click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for control panel. So once you have opened the control panel in your Windows 11, navigate to its network and internet and click on it. Here again, click on Network and Sharing Center. Once you are here, there you will have an option to set up a new connection. So click on Set up a new connection or network. Then here, there is an option that says Manually connected or manually connect to a wireless network. Click on it. Then click on Next. So once you're on this interface, you have to enter all the information for the wireless network that you want to add. So first of all, enter your network name. Make sure you type in the correct information. So once you're done typing your network name, navigate to this security type, click on this drop down and choose the WPA2 personal. Then under that, you have to enter your security key. So enter your password. Once done, there you have two options, either to start this connection automatically. If you want that, you can check that. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on Next, and then your network will be added in your Windows 11. After that, you will have a settings, or you will have an option to change the network settings as well. Now once you have successfully added the network, in order to connect to the network, you have to click on your Wi-Fi from the taskbar at the bottom right corner. Click on it and then connect to your Wi-Fi. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.